They will look back at pictures and see themselves dressed in love, wrapped in care. And without even realizing it, that becomes part of their identity. The knowledge that they were valued, that they mattered, that they were worth the effort. That knowledge is powerful. It is the soil in which ambition grows, the seedbed for dreams that will carry them into their own future. That is why something as small as a baby frog can be connected to the American dream. Because the dream has never been about size, it has always been about meaning. Greatness is not always built in giant leaps. Sometimes it is stitched in tiny steps. A baby's dress may not look like a symbol of progress, but for a parent it is exactly that, the symbol of hope, of creativity, of ambition. From the smallest stitch to the biggest dream, it is proof that the American dream is alive, not only in boardrooms or universities, but in the everyday choices of families who believe that tomorrow will be brighter. Every stitch tells a story. Every fold of fabric carries meaning. When you look at a baby's designer frock, you may just see a dress, but a parent sees a promise. They see the countless hours of work that went into earning it, the sacrifices made, and the joy of giving their child something beautiful. That single garment becomes a quiet declaration. I will give my child a life filled with more love, more beauty, and more possibility than I ever had. And that, in its truest sense, is what the American dream is about. Not just dreaming for ourselves, but dreaming bigger for the next generation. Think about the history of this nation. Families who crossed oceans with nothing but hope in their hearts, who led lives from scratch, who worked jobs that tested their strength, all so that their children could have choices. They may never have owned fine clothes, but they poured every ounce of energy into making sure their children had opportunities. That spirit lives on today, even in something as simple as a baby's frock. For one parent, it may be a gift bought after months of saving. For another, it may be handmade at the kitchen table late at night. But in both cases, it is born of the same thing: love, sacrifice, and belief in the future. And isn't that the essence of ambition? To want more for your children, to see their lives bloom brighter than your own? Ambition isn't always about building an empire. Sometimes ambition is found in the little things, the gestures that seem small but hold the weight of 1,000 dreams. A baby's frock is ambition made visible. It says, I want my child to stand tall. I want them to know they are worthy. I want them to walk into life not with doubt but with confidence. That ambition, no matter how small it appears, becomes the fuel that drives families forward. Then comes the role of creativity. In every frock, there is artistry. Someone imagined a design that had never existed before. Someone chose colors that could spark joy, fabrics that could hold comfort, and patterns that could express innocence. That act of creation mirrors the heartbeat of America itself. A land built by people who dared to imagine something different, something better. Creativity is not just about art, it is about survival, growth, and vision. The same hands that design a frock remind us that innovation doesn't always appear in laboratories or technology firms. Sometimes it appears in the quiet craft of a seamstress, in the eye of a designer, in the determination of a parent who makes something with their own hands, because they refuse to let their child go without. That creativity is what transforms ordinary lives into extraordinary stories. But let's not forget the future. The American dream is always about tomorrow. A child who wears a designer frock may never remember it, but the memory lives in the heart of the parents. Years later, they will look back at pictures and smile. They will remember how small their child once was, how precious those moments felt, and how much they dreamed for them. That frock becomes part of a legacy, a piece of the story that will be told again and again. This was the dress you wore when you turned one. This was the outfit you wore when you took your first steps. This was the moment when we knew you were the brightest light in our world. And if you look closely, you will see something powerful. That child growing up surrounded by love begins to internalize it. They may not remember the details, but they will grow up with a deep sense of worth. They will carry within them the knowledge that they mattered enough for someone to dream for them, to sacrifice for them, to create for them. That is how ambition is passed down. That is how dreams are inherited. It is not just through wealth or education, but through the daily choices, the quiet moments, the symbols of love. A baby's frock may seem small, but it is one of those symbols. This is why the American dream is not a faraway idea. It is alive in every home, in every family, in every act of love that builds the foundation for a better future. It is alive in the little girl wearing her first frock at a birthday party, in the parents beaming with pride, in the designer who poured their creativity into making something beautiful, and in the future that is being shaped without anyone even noticing. The dream is not just about achieving greatness, it is about planting seeds of greatness in the smallest ways, in the smallest moments. From a distance, a baby's frock may look ordinary, but when you step closer, you realize it is extraordinary. It carries ambition in the heart of the parent, creativity in the hands of the maker, and hope in the eyes of the child. It connects the past, the present, and the future in one delicate piece of fabric. It reminds us that dreams do not always need to be grand to be powerful. Sometimes the smallest stitch can hold the greatest meaning. The beauty of the American dream is that it doesn't ask where you begin. It doesn't matter if you start with nothing more than a piece of fabric and a vision. What matters is where you choose to go with it. A baby's designer frock may look like a small thing, but in truth, it is a doorway into that larger truth, that greatness can be born from the simplest beginnings. Think of the hands that first hold the fabric. They may belong to a young mother in her living room, a father working extra shifts to afford something nice, or a designer who refuses to give up on their art. Each one begins with very little, just fabric, needles, and time. But with persistence, those pieces come together, and when the finished frock is revealed, it is more than just a garment. It is evidence that determination, creativity, and love can shape the ordinary into something extraordinary. This lesson stretches beyond clothing. It is the very essence of building a future. When immigrants first arrived in this country, they brought little with them except skills, ideas, and hope. Some became tailors, some bakers, some builders, some dreamers. They all started with scraps of opportunity, scraps of resources, but they stitched those scraps together with ambition. Over time, their families thrived. The same spirit lives in every designer frock. It says, I may begin with small pieces, but I will weave them into something beautiful, and I will hand it to the next generation so they can dream even bigger. For parents, the frock becomes a way of telling their child, you are worthy of beauty, you are worthy of love. You are worthy of the best we can give you. This is more than clothing, this is identity. A child grows up knowing they are valued, and that knowledge creates courage. It tells them they can walk into the world with confidence. It tells them they are not limited by where their family began, but empowered by where their family chose to go. That self-belief, planted so early, becomes the foundation for success. And success, much like the frock itself, is built in layers. First comes imagination, then effort, then sacrifice, then patience. Each layer strengthens the one before until finally the dream is complete. The frock, in its own small way, is a mirror of life's greatest achievements. Every athlete, every entrepreneur, every leader in this country began with a small stitch of ambition, something that didn't look like much at the time, but with persistence it grew into a pattern, then into a design, then into something that inspired others. Just like a frock sewn for a child, their journeys remind us that success is rarely sudden. It is sewn carefully, piece by piece. There is also resilience in the story. A frock does not appear without effort. Sometimes the stitch is wrong and has to be redone. Sometimes the fabric tears. Sometimes the vision does not come out the way it was imagined. But the maker does not stop. They try again, they fix the mistake, they adjust, they move forward. That is resilience. And it is the same resilience families need when chasing the American dream. Life will not always go according to plan. There will be mistakes, losses, and setbacks. But those who keep stitching, who refuse to give up, who believe that the fabric of their future can still be made beautiful, they are the ones who succeed. The story of a baby's frock also teaches us about legacy. Long after the child has outgrown it, long after the fabric has faded, the memory of what it represented remains. Parents remember the joy, the hope, the dreams they poured into that moment. Years later, that child may hold the frock in their hands and realize, this was more than a dress. This was my family's love, their belief in me, their proof that even in the smallest ways they dreamed for me. That realization becomes part of who they are. It gives them strength when life becomes difficult. It gives them purpose when they wonder what their story means. The frock becomes more than fabric, it becomes a symbol of possibility, a reminder that love and ambition are stitched into their very existence. And when that child grows up and becomes a parent themselves, the cycle continues. They will want to give their child the same feeling, the feeling of being valued, of being special, of being surrounded by love and dreams. They may not even realize it, but the same lesson that was once stitched into their frock will guide them. They will understand that success is not only about what they achieve, but about what they pass forward. And in that act, the American dream lives on, carried not just in institutions or industries, but in the heart of every family who chooses to dream for their children. This is why something as delicate as a baby's frock can hold so much meaning. It is not only a garment, it is a reminder that ambition can